Samsung has finally introduced a highly anticipated feature on its Galaxy S flagship phone. No, it's not the long-lost headphone jack. It's the arrival of what could be the most versatile camera video experience on a smartphone. This exciting development is the inclusion of 4K 60 FPS video recording on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, allowing users to switch between all the lenses seamlessly while recording. This feature isn't limited to just the rear cameras, it extends to the front camera as well. This makes the Galaxy S24 Ultra the most versatile 4K 60 video recording smartphone. Many users have been eagerly waiting for this capability as 4K 60 FPS is a favored mode, but until now, switching lenses was not possible in this mode. Additionally, there's good news for the Galaxy S24 Plus as it will feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in many markets such as India. This processor upgrade is significant and demonstrates Samsung's commitment to enhancing the performance of its devices. While there may not be a substantial difference in pure CPU scores between the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Exynos 2400, the real differentiator could be the performance of the new AMD GPU in the Exynos 2400 compared to the Adreno GPU in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Samsung is wisely capitalizing on the Galaxy S24 Plus by offering it with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in more markets, possibly including Europe and the UK. It's clear that Samsung aims to provide the best possible experience to its users. Lastly, there's a glimpse of the expected colors for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with some changes compared to previous models. While some may have reservations about the shift in the red color to something resembling orange, it's a change that has received mixed reactions. Ultimately, the true appearance of these devices will be revealed officially, but the new color options have generated intrigue. In summary, Samsung's Galaxy S24 series brings exciting camera improvements, processor upgrades, and intriguing color options, making it a compelling choice for smartphone enthusiasts.